Okay, so for this little game, it's much like what you did the other day with this one. You pluck in the root note, the bass string, and then strumming the whole chord. Apart from, I'm just going to make a more fun pattern now. So let's think of a classic song, "We Will Rock You." You know, you're now going to mimic that on the guitar. So you're going to do 2 plucks on the root note, and then 1 nice strum on the full chord. And then move to the next chord. Now remember, with A sus, make sure that root note you're plucking is the A string, not the E string. Don't do this. Then it starts to sound a bit odd. You really want to emphasize the A. Okay, so let's go a little bit slower. Let's do 8 beats on each, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 7, 8. Yeah, see how it works? Now you can like start to mix things up a little bit. So why not, let's do 1 beat like normal, and the second one with the double hit. So it's done like this. That works. What about if you reversed it? That also works. Okay, you can make up your own little combinations now. What if we were to do 3 normal and then 1 double on the 4th beat? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, so just making little variations. Very simple idea. It starts to make 2 chords sound a lot more interesting than they really are. And what if you were to try and get like 3 beats in somehow? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. You know, you do what you want to do with it. It's just an idea to help you practice doing your 2 chords in a way that's a bit more fun than normal. All right, have fun.